landed with this official Nazi here. Nazi in the boat. Now don't drop that, we don't want an £85 fine.
On the area of action.
Yeah, see how, it's only been that since we arrived though. Coastal area of outstanding natural beauty. First meal of the trip. Rice and pea. Magnificent. End of day one. This is what I woke up to this morning. Not bad, is it? That's over there somewhere up Main Road like an idiot. Wow, oh wee, look at that. That's what we're going out in. Gotta get through this surf first of all. You see my spot there where I'm gonna go. It's gonna be right there. Here we go. Fabulous September day, 19th I think it is. This is summer's last fling, there's no question about it. And it is summer. We're going out to the Farnes. And it's absolutely red hot. I've had to put the dry suits on because we've got to go pound through that surf. I'll be finding the quietest spot. I'll leave all the heroics to Matt. Look at this new technique here, standing on one leg, rolling a fag. Popular here today. Alright, so gotta find a way out now, out the surf. The quietest spot it looks like there to me. Not where Matt is. Well, that was quite exciting. I got away with it really. There's a reef here and it really builds up. What an absolutely fabulous day we've got out here. It's the first time I've been at boat for a while. I feel rather wobbly. There's Matt with the inner Farne and inner Farne Lighthouse in the background. This is my new SD90 camera, first time I've used it for kayaking. See how it goes. I've just launched out through the surf. Pumping and...
Just keep filming the good subject matter.
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. Don't bother with the castle or anything else, just in with orange head on. Oh, what is this like? I never thought I'd come kayaking again, where it was going. It is the most glorious of days. A real treat in this year that is El Nino year. And this tide has had us all over the shore. I don't know what we're doing here. We aimed for that buoy there behind Matt and we've missed it completely. We aimed to the left of that buoy, the north, and the tide swept us north. And it should be, I'm sure it's heading us south now.
Round, guys.
Winges.
Alone, 100 metres.
Right, your destination is dead ahead. Can you see the gap between the island?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, look at that now. We were going to go in the gully of death, but no, we'll give it a miss. They're going to get washed off the rocks here, these birds, aren't they? They don't care, do they? Do they? Oh, look at view back there now. This is a special place. It really is. It'll always be special to me, this place. Always. Wee. Oh yeah, mother and baby. It's a mother and child reunion. Little, it's common that one, you see him? Little scruffy urchin. There, you little scruff bag. What doing? Yeah. Come on, it's only us. Everyone come play with you. Can you imagine this place in winter when waves are crashing over it, how barren it is? Look at that, I've not seen it that good here for years. You see right inland to the hills of the interior. Fantastic. My God, it's shallow here. Matt was going to land there. He had big plans for a leg stretch and a fag.
Back's killing me, mate. I might have to fuck off.
Behave. There's another beach up. Right, we're crossing Staple Sound now. This is about a mile to the tower on Brownsman Island. That's the inner farm there where you can land. It's National Trust owned. They want something like 5 foot land. You can just walk up and get right next to bird. You'd love it, you know, with camera, with Canon. You can get right next to shags and everything. In between, that bit's called the kettle. You can imagine what that's like on an average day. This is Staple Sound. And we're heading for a leg stretch, the first one of the day. I think there's going to be a hot refresh in me. Absolutely, look at that, nod of approval there. That means it's compulsory. It is indeed a weird, see the way it's running into it, that swell's coming in here. And they are big swells then. Oof, there's some trough in that there. There's 6 or 8 foot there in that trough, between trough and peak. It'll not bother us there where we're going. It's like a big liquid sheet of glass now, this sea. It really is quite something. And in the distance, just to the left of the island, I can't see what I'm filming. Is Dunstanburgh Castle. This is an immature gannet, this. Watch it, go on, dive. Oh. But he's just off. There he goes again. Still learning his trade. Right, we're on the corner, that's Gun Rocks there. This is Staple Island. This is Brownsman with the house on it. I think I'm committing all these from memory. I may be wrong. We're trying to find somewhere because Matt's back's killing him. I think he's hungry as well, hungry for a cig. Can't remember if this is Piper Gut now or it's the next one. Ooh, I just can't remember the names. I can't remember the name of this island here. No, it's gone. That's definitely Brownsman Island. And that one to the right is definitely Staple Island, and that's definitely Gun Rocks, and that's definitely Dunstanburgh Castle in the background. We'll soon be there, don't you worry. It'll all be worth it. You'll have a brew in one of the best places you've ever had. What's this? Farne's Discovery? I think somebody's got buzzed in as a bit of a thingy exercise, initiation. What's this when he sees me? Oh, he just went down anyway, he hadn't seen me. Here he is under the boat, look at that. Ah, cheeky. Wow, this is one fantastic day here. Look at that side eye he's giving me. Yeah, see, there's no need to panic, it's only us.
Jumped off this rock and had a shit, it's skanking.
This one was trying to get out here then and he was stuck. What? Say what? Yeah, sea will not bother you. What's up with you? Nowhere near as many as there used to be. Used to be just thousands of them. I don't know where they've all gone. Last time they were on Kniveston. Look how clear that water is. It's beautiful. Do you mind? It's like kayaking. Oh yeah, speed onto rocks, no problem. There, can you see that boat there? They're diving on the wreck of the Chris Christensen, if they're diving. Looks like they're diving. Now that is one cracking dive. Here we are at one of the most famous lighthouses in Britain, the Longstone. Longstone Lighthouse. This is where Grace Darling and her father, is it George, performed the rescue of the SS Forfarshire in 1840. I'm guessing here now, this is all from memory, 43 I think, something like that. She became our first, look at Cochlin seal to your left there, our first national heroine. The seal sniffing her, and he sees us. Hush.
You woke him up.
He was awake.
80 quid for the seal Nazis for that.
You deal with dolphin Nazis, I'll deal with seal Nazis. How's that? Now Matt's going to love landing here because it says no landing by order, and he's going to have his photograph taken underneath it, because he knows a little bit of anarchy goes a long, long way. I'm ready for a hot refreshing myself, I must admit. Now that is a sight to behold. Look at that. Longstone Lighthouse in all its glory.
Looks like it's just been painted.
I know, it's always immaculate. Well looked after. Some seals on our patch here now. Look at this little bit of slice of paradise here. It's all what's going on here? Look at this here now, we could nearly get right through the Longstone to the other side. Hey. Ooh, look at this beast here. Well, I didn't know you could nearly get through here. What a fabulous place we're in here now. Like a little nursery for young seals. They're absolutely fascinated with that toggle. Look at this one here. You just don't know what to make of that toggle, do you? Eh? My God, look at that. Is that not paradise? Huh? Jesus. This reminds me of that stop on the way to Stafford. Is it valet parking?
Donation.
It's valet parking, I hope. I'll give you the key to my axe and you can get the kettle out and make a goddamn brew. Longstone Lighthouse, looking inland. There's my boat. Even with seals out here, they're all wondering what's going on. What's happening, man? There is Bamborough Castle. Can you see Bamborough Castle where we launched? There it is. It's about 3 or 4 miles away now, that. The tide's rising and the swells are working their way through. Swing around almost 180 degrees. It's the outer one of the Farne Islands. This is the last one. This is the Kniveston. 60 wrecks recorded here. That's that they know of. They'll be out there diving on it now. It's absolutely incredible, the diving there, it really is. And then just beyond that is World Rocks. Can't see that, it never shows up. Incredible diving out there. That lightship, I've never seen that before. Last time I was here was 2010. So this sums it up here now, this view. We got Jesus on Ainsley Harriet's suit. He'll end up doing that chinny grin what he does. You can see Bamborough Castle there. That's Brownsman, the one with the square tower on it, and the one beside it. Just to the left there are the Pinnacles. That's where we're going shortly. And here's the Longstone Lighthouse. And this has got to be one of the best viewpoints off Farnes. Probably only Lighthouse will beat it. Look at them swells making their way through now. Swelling hell. Onken what? Curry?
Cherries. Mate. You'll never look back.
It'll make me onk up if I have that. Onken. Tide is really coming up here now, look at it. Can't wait for us to get back in him. Let's play with them toggles, isn't you? Come on. Oh well, not got far to drag the boat back now. Came right up at one point. Came right up to the beach. Nearly beached himself up. Come and have a butty. I think he was after some onken, me. Matt leaves the Longstone Lagoon. Oh, look at that. Claudio. All seals have gone now. It's no longer a little lagoon, is it? Tide's flooded and spiraled it. Jesus. Henry. time for Tubby bye-bye. What a place this is. Yeah, the lighthouse ain't working. I bet that's what that light ship's for. Temporarily while they're doing it up. If you look carefully in the lantern room, there's all blankets over at light. Somebody's up there with Mr. Sheen and that. Or have they found a body there? Something like that. Look at him, he's passing that lighthouse, he doesn't care a damn about it. Yeah, what about that for a shot? All arp trails, look. Fast asleep, look at that. Is it dead or what? It's dead! We thought it was dead and he's not. Oh my god, I saw his eyes open then and they shut, I thought he is dead, but not. Look, wasting electricity there, light's been on all day. Right, we want to head off up to there now, it's Pinnacles. Is he in there? There then. You'd be frightening you. Did we frighten you, laddie? Or is this him here behind you? I don't know. That's where we're heading over there now, the Pinnacles. You can just see the three of them stuck up. Fantastic. Just missed the most perfect sunburst coming through the clouds there then. Oh, look at that light on the castle there now. That is just classic. Look at the tide coming through here now. Whoa, we're into tide. That light is just the best. It's absolutely splendid. Here we go. There's that other landing stage, look. I think that was it where we got told off. Can't land on here. Here's the three Pinnacles. Ooh, we should have come earlier in the day. He's going for it through that gap. Get your Bible out. Quite a bit of swell there. Fantastic bit of scenery. Look, Pinnacles. This is where the wreck of the Santander is. Just the other side of there. In about 20 to 25 metres. I was waiting if you come through. Crikey, it looks like it might even rain. Our day's about to go disastrous, look at that. Absolutely chock full of birds here last time I was here. All here, all in there, chock full of them. Wow, what a mean and moody picture that is. Look at that. Big belly flop. This is Staple Sound. That sky is just amazing, isn't it? Teletubby man. Look at that mysterious light there. That's guiding us back. That's our guiding light. That's about where we're parked there. Can you see where it's all to the right of the castle? That sky is just hanging there, barely moving. Mean and moody. We're coming up to Inner Farne now. Look at the sun behind that cloud there, it's just disappeared. What was it called now when there was an eclipse? I can't remember. Totalitarian. Totality. Teletubby. More rules and regulations. There ain't no escaping them. Oh! Aye! He's breaking rules again. That's kidneys. Is that your kidneys or your liver? In good health or in bad health?
It's not my ex's tits.
Should be watching this now and ordering a Wonder Bra. This is it, we're heading back now. We're going to go and go around here, go around to the right there. This is the back of the Inner Farne. We're going to do the shoreward side, which is quite spectacular. Should be good. Magic hour in it. The last hour. 6:06. As long as I don't paddle, they don't mind noise. It's the movement what gets them. The Inner Farne Pinnacle, and there's a lighthouse just peeping at the top. Belting stuff. See, Matt's caused all that. Everything was alright till he paddled in there. And tagged him. Been an old T-bone. Oh, look, a cave. Oh, you're in danger of it up there, mate. Look at that, straight above your head. Not a bad view, that, is it? That's where we've got to get back to, the castle over there. Well, this has been a fabulous day. This is a fabulous ending to a fabulous day. The Inner Farne. See the lighthouse there. The island right at the end is where we started the Megstone. Just off the tip there. The washing machine. You're going in now, your back's better. I don't know. I think so. I think it would be suicidal said to go through it. This is the last of the flood tide. I'm sure it was 6:30 yesterday. So it should be just last dregs at tide this. Should only have another half an hour or an hour if I've got most. Crikey, I thought there was something up with camera then. It's the light flickering off the sea onto the screen. Looks like they're having some bad weather over in Norway, look. Oh dear, what a shame, never mind. Tell you what, we've paddled in some fantastic seas, but this takes some beating, this, doesn't it? That sun seems to be getting warmer. It's definitely cool on that beach before. On in a Farne. Your last will and testament, I'll tell you what I'll sign over for you. A clean pair of socks out my van. Boy, does it. I don't think you wear my skids though. I don't know if you can, the camera can pick it out, but the actual castle is casting sunbeams, the shadows off the pinnacles of the keep and the other towers in the castle. All the mist, we're thinking, is from the surf, the booming surf. Oh God.
Where we're heading for, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, no. I'm heading for where them concrete cubes are, because you're going to have
Oh, the drag. Oh, of course. Yeah.
land on the sand.
Yeah, I'd rather land on rocks, on sand and get turned over than on rocks and get turned over.
I'm thinking about my boat.
We're not going to get turned over, are we, Frank?
No.
We're just gonna get turned over.
No. The whole panorama of the sky is just surreal, isn't it? Just think that sky is as unique as a snowflake or a fingerprint. You'll never see that combination again in your lifetime. It's the last of the sun. Oh no, it's the last of the battery as well. Don't believe that. Oh, I do not believe that. That's because the temperature's dropping. Not that I can feel it, I'm absolutely boiling. Barling. Oof, these swells are picking up. I thought they were going to quieten down. Oh my giddy aunt, look at them. We are going to get beasted. Yeah. 4 minutes past 7. 10 minutes to our death on this beach. That's what we're dealing with here now. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that. Jesus. Last will and testament of me. Jesus, look at this, what we're having to land through. There's some concrete cubes on the thing, and we can't see them. He's not bothered, him. Right, this is it. We're going for it. Look at these, what's coming here now. That'll be a beast when it lands. It's coming to the end of my battery on the camcorder. That's where I'm heading for now, that white house. Whew. Good God. Good God. It's an absolutely amazing evening. Right, that's it, I'm going in. Batten down the hatches. Oh my God, I've just done a tuck and roll me. Front somersault in that. Matt survived, look at him gloating, gloriously gloating. Whew. It absolutely beasted me. That is dangerous. Right, that's it, coming to end of battery. Oh, last will and testament.